Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to HowitKlics. Today I'm diving into the secret behind drone deliveries and how these flying robots are revolutionizing the delivery industry. So, let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is a drone? In simple terms, a drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV for short. It's like a mini helicopter, but without a pilot on board. Instead, it's controlled either autonomously by onboard computers or remotely by a human operator. Now let's talk about the core components that make a drone fly. You've got the frame, which is usually lightweight and durable. Then there's the propulsion system, including motors and propellers that lift and move the drone. The flight controller is the brain, processing data from sensors and making real-time adjustments to keep the drone stable. Speaking of sensors, drones are packed with them. Gyroscopes and accelerometers help maintain balance, while GPS allows for precise navigation. Some advanced drones even have obstacle detection sensors to avoid collisions. So, how do drones actually deliver packages? It all starts with a delivery request. Once an order is placed, the package is loaded onto the drone at a distribution center. The drone's flight path is pre-programmed or controlled in real time, ensuring it reaches the destination efficiently. Now, imagine you're waiting for your package. The drone uses GPS to navigate to your location and can even communicate with your smartphone for precise drop-off. Some drones have release mechanisms to lower the package gently using a winch or simply drop it safely from a low altitude. Drones are a game changer in various delivery sectors. For example, in healthcare, drones are used to transport critical medical supplies and vaccines to remote or hard-to-reach areas. This can save lives by reducing delivery times drastically. In e-commerce, companies like Amazon and Google are testing drone deliveries to speed up shipping times and reduce costs. Imagine receiving your order within minutes of purchase. It's not just about speed, though. Drones also reduce traffic congestion and lower carbon emissions compared to traditional delivery vehicles. But it's not all smooth flying. There are challenges like regulatory hurdles, limited battery life, and ensuring safety in crowded airspaces. However, with continuous advancements in technology and regulations catching up, the future of drone deliveries looks promising. So there you have it. Drones are not just cool gadgets, they're transforming how we receive goods, making deliveries faster, safer, and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights.